In the previous lecture, we have seen that how we can create the recurring document, how we can execute the recurring document, and how with the reference to the recurring document, we can post the actual document. Now, the same activity we are going to do on the Fiori app. So how we will be doing it on the Fiori app? Let's see. So first, let me log into the Fiori app. On this, you can search with the name recurring and automatically it will come manage recurring journal entry. I need to just log in again. Manage recurring journal entry. Select this app. After this, we need to click on this option called or click on this button called create a new recurring journal entry. Then this journal entry, we want to create it for which company code. So before the company code, we have the journal entry type. Type here is document type. We are using here SA. Then after that, we have the currency and we have to mention here the company code as 6666. So automatically system will change the company code in the line item or drive the company code in the line item data. Here we need to have the account number. Let's have here the account number 400 200 GL and 200 100 cash account. And let's have here the amount how much it is 11,000, 11,000 debit and 11,000 credit. Enter. And after this, we need to just come down, scroll down. Here you can just see recurrence rule. So from which date you want this document to be stored or to be considered in the system. So we want this recurring posting should happen from 1st of April. Instead of 1st of May, let's have it the date as start date as 1st of April. And after this, you can just see the end date is coming as 1st of April only. So if, and in this, you can also notice here the occurrence. So the number of occurrence we have one. Okay. But if you want the same document to be posted every month for continuously for 10 times, 15 times, 20 times, so accordingly, you can just mention here the occurrence. Let's say, and also with the one occurrence, you can just see we have here the one number, one line item, and it is also showing that this has not been posted yet with amount 11,000, total 11,000. But if I just make it as 10, so press enter button. Now you can just see system has created 10 line item here and all are unposted and total is 110,000. You also notice here the last date for this recurring document system is just showing as 1st of January 2025. Now with this we are going to save the data. Click on the save option. So you can just see your recurring document number system has given you it is 2003. Now one thing we need to notice here, whatever the recurring document we are creating on the Fiori app, so that you will not be able to see on the SAP GUI, SAP Easy Access screen, and the recurring document which we have created on the SAP Easy Access screen on the GUI. So those documents you will not be able to see it here. Now you can just see this is the document number we have 2003. But whatever the actual posting you will be doing by taking the reference of your recurring document, whether that recurring document you created in the GUI or on the Fiori. So system is going to show you that actual document in both the on both the platform Fiori and GUI. So this is the recurring document we are able to create it with the number 2003 in the company code 2266. Okay. And after this, you can just see this kind of status or this kind of hyperlink will come. If you want to go to the detail of this document, it will show you. And you can also notice here it is showing the posting status. So the posting status right now it is blank, and you also observe here the number of occurrence we have 10, and out of this how many time we have posted 0. So we have not used this recurring document for any of the posting, and that is the reason here posting status is blank. Unlike the second company code we have 2277 where we have posted one time out of 10, and this kind of icon will come. Posting happened successfully. So now how we can do the posting by taking a reference of this recording document? You need to just simply click on this checkbox. Select this checkbox. After this, you can just see you have the option to display the document if you want, to edit the document, or to copy or to delete the document. But if you want to post the actual document by taking a reference of this recording document, you can simply click on the post button. So you need to mention here on which date you want this posting to happen. Let it be 1st of April. Click on the post button. So here it is saying that the recording document has been processed successfully and one posting has been completed or it has been done. We can click on the OK button. We can also notice here it has started showing you 1 out of 10, and this is the indicator for the posting status. So it is saying that this has happened successfully. Now where is the actual document? So in order to see that actual document, you can go to the recording document. Once again, you can click on this hyperlink, document number 2003. In this is the recording document we have. Now you can just scroll down, and here you can just see this is the table we have where it is saying that we have the recording document for 1st of April, 1st of May, 1st of June, and so on and so forth. Since we have posted for 1st of April, so it is showing us the journal entry document number 10070. Likewise, if you do it for the subsequent month, same way you will get the journal entry document number for those months, and the status will come as posted. Now, if you want to see this document, you click on this, click on the document number 10070, and it will show you the detail. So you can just see this is the detail we have: GL 400 200, cash account 200 100. So this expense account debit and cash account got credited. And here you will also notice one more thing. If you just go to this header, in the header you will just get this related document and it is coming as one. So what is this related document? Through this we can get the idea that okay, this normal posting has been done by taking a reference of the recurring document, because this related document is nothing but your recurring document. Here you can just see this is the recurring document number we have, and attached to this is the actual posting which has happened. Now we need to also cross check this document number 10017 is coming in this SAP Easy Access screen, and it is updating your GL account balance. For this, we need to go to the GUI, and in this we can display the document with the document number 10070 FB03. Document number is 10070 10070. Company code is 2266 and fiscal year is 2024. Press enter button. Now you can just see we are able to see the document number 11,000 is the amount posted on 1st of April, and we can also see the account balance for the same GL 400 200 and execute. We can double click on this 54,000 for the period 4, and here we have the entry of 11,000 with the date 1st of April. Document number is also coming 10070. So this is how we can also able to create and post our actual posting by taking a reference of the recurring document. The recurring document we created in the Fiori, and if you try to see it in the GUI, so here we can have the company code. For the display of or in order to display your recurring document, we use F.15, document number range 1 to all, year, and execute. You can just see we have 2001. Okay, we don't have here 2003 because that we created on the Fiori, and it would be like we will be able to see it only on the Fiori app. This document which we have here in the SAP Easy Access screen, or we created on the Easy Access screen, so that we can't see it on the Fiori. So here you can just see we can't see the 2001 which we created on the GUI. Now the next thing is uploading the document. First application. So let's go to the SAP homepage. And on the SAP homepage, under this group called journal entry, we can see the first application, post journal entry. Click on this. And here in the real time, what happens? So we do the manual posting. User has to do the manual posting, but during the cutover activities, if they have multiple entries which they need to post it by today only, by tonight, they need to enter 100 entry or 1000 entry or 10,000 entry. So in that case, post it manually. Or the second option is we need to get a custom program developed from our ABAPer. So who is going to create a body. So in that body, he would be creating a program under which if the user is going to upload a Excel sheet or Excel data, then Excel data is going to create your accounting entry and that data would be able to, or that corresponding document we will be able to see in the system. So that is also a activity through which we can migrate the data. We can post the accounting entry through that Excel sheet. Now the same thing SAP has given us on the Fiori, and for that we don't need to depend on the ABAP team. We don't need to go for that program through which we will be able to do this. Why? Because for this SAP has already given us a standard solution. So what is that standard solution? So SAP is saying that first you download the template. In the template, you just mention what you need to have on your accounting entry. So what is the account number, what is the amount, what is the document type, date, and all that. After that, you upload that document, you upload your file, Excel file, and after that, you will be able to see the corresponding entry in the system. So that is the functionality which I'm going to show you. So you can just see here we have the journal entry application. In this, we have this option called upload new entry. So we can click on this upload new entry. After this, we can just see here we have a option called download template. So we can download the template, and this template is provided by the SAP. So we have with the format Excel, XLS, and the second format is CSV. So we can go with either of these format. So let's have here the spreadsheet Excel format. Click on the download button. So with this, system is going to give you a downloadable file in which you can upload, enter your data and upload it. So if I just show you that file which we have, so you can just see this is a file which we can use. In this file, we can just see on the top, it is mentioned that this is the file we can use for posting the journal entry. And after that, we can also see here we have the line document number one, and this is for the document number two. Likewise, you can have multiple documents. So you need to just copy paste. So you will have multiple document, and all those documents you will be able to post it in a single go. And in for each of the document, you can have, if you have a multiple line item, then you can add the rows and you can add those line item in those new rows we have added. So for example, here we can just see for each of the document. So you can just see this is going to be your document number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. So for your first document in the Excel file, you need to give the header information, line item information. Then for the second document also, you need to mention the header information, line item. And for each of these two segments, header and line item, we have been given the field. So we can just see these are the technical field name. These are the technical field name, and all these technical field name we can also able to see in the tables. And also if you go to the relevant field and we have a option called technical details, on that also we will be able to see the technical detail. These are the labels, field labels, and these field label we can also see the length for for some of the label for some of the field SAP has given us that for this company code, so the length has been given as 4. Then for the document type, length has been given as 2. And likewise for the posting period for the text, length has been given 25. Then for the transaction currency also, and so on and so forth. Then we can also see for the line item, we have the company code again, we have the GL, and in the GL, what is the length you need to have for your the data you are going to enter, and then we have the text and so on and so forth. Okay. Now what we need to do, so we need to post the entry and we need to check it if this format is working or not, and how to make the posting through this Excel file, through this upload file. So first let's have here the data. In this data we can enter the company code ID as 2266. Document type we are using SA. Then journal entry date we need to select here with the format DD, MM, and YY. So it is DD hyphen MM hyphen YYY. You can just check your Fiori application. Okay, so for example, if I just check the Fiori application, go to the profile and setting, and here we have the language and region. Here you can just see we have the date format DDMMYY. So you just check if it is MMDDYY. So accordingly, you need to mention the data in your Excel data. Else you will also get the error message that the date format is incorrect. So I'm going back to that template. So here we have the document date. Then we have the document date. Here it is entry date. Posting date. It is 5th of April 2024. Period, you can just see the asterisk sign for some of the fields. So these are the mandatory fields. So if we will find, system will find the blank information for these asterisk field, then your file will not be able to upload, or if it is getting uploaded, then the corresponding entry, the system is not able to post that entry. So it is going to give you the error message that there is some data missing in that mandatory field. Then after this, we can just see the posting date we have for the fiscal period. So we don't have this asterisk sign. We can skip this field. We can keep it as blank. Then we can just go to the field called transaction currency. So this transaction currency we can mention as USD. After this, all are the optional field. So we can just keep them blank. Then we can just go down. Here we have the line item data. If in your line item you have more than 2 line items, okay. So in that case, by default, we have here 2 line items. So you can add more line items. In order to add more line items, so simply we can just use the Excel function, okay, to add the new rows. So here I have just added some rows. Then let's have here the same company code here also. And how many line items we want to have? Let's say the line item we will be having 3. I'm going to have 3 line item, and the GL is going to be, so since here it is asking you to maintain the GL 10 digit, since we have maintained the length of our digit 10 digit, okay. So the remaining 4 digit you can use as a asterisk. How? So let it be first prefix 40. After that we can have here the GL number. It is 400 100 expense GL. Same way we can have here for the second line item, we can have the rent, and the last we can have it for the 200 100 cash account. Then after this text is optional, we can keep it as blank, or let's say the text, if you want to mention upload testing 2266, and I want to have it for each of the line item. Here you need to mention the amount. So let it be the amount, debit amount 11,000, or let it be 12,000, 13,000. And here in the third line item, you need to have the sum. So it is 25. So on the credit side, let's have here 25,000. So this currency or this amount which you need to mention. So let's have here two decimal figure. So we need to have here decimal value, and then we are like ready for the posting of data. But if you have two documents which you want to get posted, so same way here, I'm going to have the data in the next header. Okay, and it is header 2, and the line item is also there. So let it be, we can just enter the line item data, and in this line item let's have some variation. So let's have it the amount as how much, 14,000 and 15,000, and total is 29,000. Then this is the data which I want to get uploaded, and I am expecting two documents. System should post us. System should post two documents for us, and first we need to save this format. So I'm going to save this. So let's have here the format. We can just give the file name as upload file for the company code 2266, and this is for the journal entries. Journal entry. Then we need to just save this file, and we need to upload this file. In order to upload the file, we can go back to the Fiori app. We can just see here, we have been given a browser here. So we need to click on this browse button. So here it is saying that choose a template based file to upload. So we can upload the file over here. Click on this browse button, and here we can locate and browse, attach our file. So this is the file we have. Select. Now you can just see when you are going to upload this file. So it is first going to give you the held document. So held document is your temporary document. So this temporary document you can delete it. In this temporary document has been given, you can just check it before you go for the posting. And why these are two? Because here we are expecting the system to give us two documents. That is the reason here it is showing you two temporary ID, two temporary ID. And if you just click on the post button, click on the post button, so you can just see system has given us two document number, two document got posted. If you want to view those document, we can click on the OK button, and we can go back, click on the, and here you can just see the journal entry document number system has given you in this column called journal entry. So we have our first document number 10018, second document number 10019. If you click on this document number also, it will give you the detail. So we can again click on this document number. So we'll have the detail. So you can just see this is the posting which system has made with these GL 400, 100, 300 and cash account. Here we can also see the amount 12,000, 13,000, credit amount 25,000. Then same way we can also see the second document, and it is going to give you the data. Now if you want to cross check if these posting we are able to see on this GUI or not, yes, we are able to see this document on GUI also under this SAP Easy Access screen. So let's go back to the SAP Easy Access screen. So in order to display the document, we have transaction code FB03, and in this we can go with the document number 19 first. Let's see the document number 19. So you can just see it is coming 14,000, 15,000, credit amount 29,000. You can also see here the text is coming as upload testing 2266, which we have entered. Same way you can also see the document number 10080. So this is how to a uploadable file we will be also able to post the accounting document. And this is very useful for the user because in the real time, sometimes they have time constraint in that they need to post multiple entries. So through this, they would be able to do it. Now the next topic we have, it is the reversal. Now what do you mean by the reversal? So we know that once any document is posted, it is final. So system has updated the GL, you can't do anything. If you have posted in wrong document, so how we can correct it? In order to correct your posted document which is a wrong document, so you have a option to do the reversal. You can do the reversal of that posted document. How to do the reversal? So we have the option that we can go for the individual reversal. We can also go for the mass reversal. So how we can do the individual reversal? And again, this reversal, we can do it on both the platform, on the GUI as well as on the Fiori. First, I'll show you on the Fiori, on the GUI, how it is to be done. So let's have here the individual reversal. And for this individual or mass reversal, we have the same transaction code FB08. Let's run transaction code FB08. And in this, we need to give here the document number we want to get reverse. And whenever you are reversing any document, system is expecting you to provide the reason why you want to reverse it. So we have been given a number of reason already, reason codes in the list. If you want to add the reason code, any particular reason code which you can't see in the list, you want to get it added. So how to add it? For this, what do? You just come out of here, and this is how to add. So I have also shown you in this practice sheet under the reversal. So we have the path. It is, you will be able to get it under the accrual document. Under the accrual document, you will be able to get this step called step number 2, create the reversal code. And for this, we have this path. It is starting with SPRO because it is a part of development. This is something to be done by the consultant, not by the user. And how it is to be done? Let's follow this path. I'm going to open another screen, and I will enter here in the command box SPRO, enter. Click on the IMG button, and after that I can just go to the financial accounting, then general ledger accounting, business transaction. Here you will see a option called adjustment posting slash reversal. So you need to open this option, and we have here the second option called define the reason for the reversal. So let's click on this define reason for the reversal. So we have been given here 12 reason codes. If you want to add one more reason code, you click on the new entry button, and you need to mention your reason code, which we can maintain up to the two character. So the length for this reason code we can maintain up to the 2 character, could be alphanumeric. So let it be the reason code ID as 66 we want to have, and this reversal code we will be using for the company code 2266. And after that we have these two check boxes. So first is for the negative posting, and second is for the checkbox is for the alternate posting date. So we can select both of these two check boxes, save it. So we are actually reason code which we have added. So we are validating this reason code for both of these two scenarios, negative posting and alternate posting date. So we can now come out of this screen. We can go back to that reversal screen. Here you need to mention the document number which you want to get reversed. So let it be the document number 1001 which I want to get reversed in the company code 2266 in the year 2024. The reason code here we need to mention, press F4 key. So it will start showing you the reason code we have added 66. So we need to take this reason code, and before the reversal, if you want to see the actual document, you can click on this display before reversal button. So it will show you this is the posting we have, original posting. So I'll just take a screenshot of it so that we can compare it later with the reversal document. Now go for the reversal, and for the reversal, we need to go back and simply we need to click on the save option. Click on the save data. So it is saying that in order to get the reversal document or post the reversal document, so the required number range is missing, and this number range is 02. This is for the year 2024 in the company code 2266. How to maintain it? So in order to maintain the number range, we have the transaction code. It is FBN1. This transaction code we have seen in the basic setting when we were maintaining the number range for the document type SA. So we are going to run the same transaction code here for the company code 2266, and then we can click on the change interval. Here we need to click on the add interval. Which number range is missing? 02. We can add that number range for which year it is missing, 2024, and we can give the number as 4 all 01 to 5 all 01. So whatever the reversal you will be doing, all those reversal document number would be between this number range we have added 02. Now I'm going to save it and we can come out of the screen. Now we can go back to that screen where we were doing the reversal. So once again, we can click on the save data or click on this post button. So you can just see we got the document number, reversal document number 4 all 01. Now let's display this 4 all 01 reversal document number. And in order to display this document, we can go to the menu document display. So we can just see this is the reversal document we have. Now let's compare the original document with the reversal document. Let me just minimize it so that we can just compare it. So what is the difference you are going to see between your actual and reverse document? So the first difference you will see in the posting key. So in the original document, actually this is the original document we have. In the original document for the first and second line item, you have the posting key 40 and 50. So both the posting key system has changed in your or interchange. System has interchanged these posting key in your reverse document. Here we can just see now 50 for the first line item and 40 for the second line item. Then in the amount section, there is no change. In the description also, there is no change. And the next change we are going to see in the amount column. So here, this is the actual document. This is the original document. In this, we can just see we have the positive amount for the first line item and negative amount for the second line item. So positive means debit amount and negative means credit amount. Now let's see here. We can compare with the reversal document. So in this reversal document, we have the negative first. For the first line item, we have the negative amount. And for the second line item, we have the positive amount. Likewise, if you want to have the mass reversal, so for the mass reversal, you need to use the same transaction code FB08 and need to click on this button called mass reversal. After clicking this option, you can just mention your company code. You need to give the range for the particular document you want to reset. You want to do the reversal. So here we can give the range from 10001 to 10010. So these are the documents in the company code for the year 2024. We want to get reversed. If you have a particular set of document, then under the multiple selection, you need to take all those documents we want to get reversed. So we can just click on the cancel button right now. And then you can just see first it is going to give you a test run. So we can do the testing. If all the things are fine, we can go with the actual run. So let's see the document with the test mode. Click on the execute button. So we can just see we have here the document number 1 all 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on and so forth. So here we can't see document number 1 all 0 1. Why it is not coming? Because you can just see here down. It is saying that this can't be considered. Why? Because it is already reversed. It is already reversed. Here you can just see the reason code. It is already reversed. That is the reason we can't take it again for the reversal. Now, the remaining document, if you want to get them reversed, for this you go back, remove the checkbox, and then click on the execute button. So this is going to be a actual reversal of your document, mass reversal. So you can just see here all these documents got reversed and the reverse document numbers are these one. These are the reversal document number 4 all 02, 4 all 03 and so on and so forth. So we got the 9 document reverse. Okay. And then we can just come back. We can just go back. Now this is the reversal we have seen on the SAP GY. Now let's see the reversal on the Fiori. And for the Fiori again we can go to the journal entry. First let's go to the journal entry. Here you can just see we have the option to do the reversal. Okay. So we can just simply click on this reversal button and this document number 10019 will be reversed. And also here we can take a screenshot of the line item because the change you are going to see in the line item only. So here we can just see the change. And if I go back to the GUI, okay, and I'll just show you the document, reverse document. Okay, this is the reversal document. And one more thing to notice here, if you go to the, this is the line item. Okay, if you go to the header, in the header there are some field which system is not showing you on the screen. In order to see them, you can click on this head. Actually, this is sometime it is used for the audit trial also. That is the reason it is coming with the head sign. So we can just go for the inspection. So click on the document header button. And in this, you can just see it is giving you the reference of your actual document. So this is the reversal document 40010, and this has been reversed against the reversal document number against the original document number 10010. And if you display this 10010, then let's see what will happen. It will give you the reference of 40010. Enter, go to the header once again. Now you can just see here, it will just show you that this got reversed and this is the reversal document. So we'll get the information that okay. And also here you can just see reversed by this document number, and reason is this. Now we can go to the Fiori SAP homepage, journal entry, and here let's say we have the entry 1st of April, and this is a normal entry. And here this entry we have in the GL 400 300 and the GL 200 100 cash account. So first is expense and second is the cash account with amount 19,000 on both sides 19,000. Enter, and then we can just go for the posting. So the posting is completed. Document number is 10020. Now let's display. So here we can just see this is the document we have, and here we can just see the reverse button. Click on the reverse option. Here we can just see the reversal code. Now you can just see system has started showing us the reversal description. It is for 2266. We can select this one and OK. So this is how we can do the reversal on the Fiori. Now, how you will be able to see that reversal document number? This is the original document number 10020. And for this, you will get a related document. Click on this. And this is the related document number 40011. This is the reverse document. And you also observe here the document type is different. It is AB for the reversal, and original document is having the document type SA. Okay. Now further, if you want to click on this, and it will show you the more detail about that reverse document number. So let's have here the analyzer. So we can just see this information here. So these are the document which system has not done the reversal because the reversal has already been done. So we can now come out of here. This is the reversal we have seen on the GUI. Now let's do the reversal of a document on the Fiori app. So for this Fiori app, on this Fiori app, we can go to this SAP homepage. And first of all, we can pick the document. And in order to pick the document, we can go to this option, this tab called Journal Entries. Click on this JE. After that, we can go to the second application called Manage JE. Click on this. So for which company code we want to display the document. So here we want to display the document for the company code 2299. And then we can select this. We can click on this Go option. Click on the Go option. So you can just see system is just showing us that there are 25 documents we have. So which document you want to get reversed? So we can pick that document number. Let's say randomly I want to pick these four documents I want to do the reversal. So you can just see there is an option called reversal. We can click on this. Again, here also system is going to ask you for the reason. So we can mention here the reason. Here you can just see the reason code is coming 2299. And then actually description is coming here. Code is not coming. Code is coming on the GUI screen. Then after that, we can click on the OK option. So it is saying that for these two documents, reversal has already been done. Remaining two document system has considered for the reversal. Okay. Now how we will be able to identify that a reversal has been done? You can just see the journal entry type. Okay. So wherever you will see AB, it means that these are the reversal document. These are the reversal documents. So we can click on this. Here, if you notice earlier system was just showing us number of JE 25. Now number of JE we can just see 27. So two documents more system has given us as a reversal document number. So how to identify the reversal document with the entry type document type AB. So if I just go with the document number this 20010, let's say display this document. So click on this option called display document flow. So you can just see this is on the left side the original document and this is the reversal document. You can just see AB means this is a reversal document and SA means this is the original document. So this was actually created on 25th of April and this reversal has been done on here it is showing the date as 26th of April. Time is also coming. So this is how we can do the reversal on the Fiori app as well.